Saving money doesn't always come from cutting everything out of your life. Sometimes it comes from quieter habits. Habits that reduce waste, lower impulse spending, and make everyday life feel calmer at the same time. In many Japanese homes, saving money is not treated like punishment. It's built into routines, meals, shopping, and the way people use what they already have. Here are 5 Japanese habits that quietly save money every month. A lot of money disappears before we even get home from the store. Impulse snacks, duplicate ingredients, random household items, and things that looked useful in the moment can quietly drain your budget week after week. One simple habit is shopping with a plan. That means making a short grocery list, knowing what meals you want to cook, and deciding before you shop what actually needs to come home with you. Planning doesn't remove freedom, it removes waste. Food waste is one of the easiest ways to lose money without noticing. Groceries go bad in the fridge, leftovers get forgotten, and then we buy more food while the old food is still sitting there. A better habit is using food with intention. Store leftovers neatly, make tomorrow's meal from what is already in the fridge. Buy smaller amounts more often if that helps you waste less. Saving money in the kitchen is often less about coupons and more about actually using what you already paid for. Convenience gets expensive when it becomes the default. Delivery, takeout, and last-minute meals feel small in the moment, but over a month, they add up fast. A quieter way to save is having a few simple meals you can make without much effort. Rice, soup, eggs, vegetables, noodles, leftovers turned into something fresh. Meals do not have to be fancy to lower your spending. When home cooking becomes normal, convenience stops costing you every time you feel tired. A lot of spending happens when life feels rushed. You buy coffee because the morning was chaotic. You order lunch because nothing was prepared. You stop for food because the day got away from you. Routine solves more money problems than people realize. Packing lunch the night before, keeping coffee ready at home, writing a short shopping plan, and knowing what tomorrow's meals will be can remove dozens of small, expensive decisions every month. Routine is not boring when it protects your money. This may be the quietest money habit of all. A lot of spending has nothing to do with need. It comes from wanting to look successful, reward stress, or keep up with what other people are buying. A calmer way to spend is to ask one question: does this actually improve my life, or am I buying it to create an impression? When usefulness matters more than image, spending gets smaller, smarter, and easier to control. None of these habits are dramatic. That's exactly why they work. Quiet savings usually don't come from one giant trick. They come from daily systems that reduce waste, lower stress, and make spending more intentional. If you want a calmer kind of wealth, start there.